Right, here goes. Right, here goes. So the sun's out, I've finished work for the day. I don't even know if I'm going to post this, but I'm doing it anyway. So we're getting out for a wee walk before I get the kids to school. Got to try and film parts of it. I'll get the drone out for a wee bit. And the plan is to do the Humphrey Hill. So Loch Humphrey, or the Humphrey Hill as it's known, which is kind of just outside Drumchapel. And it's a good walk. I've not done it in a long time, so I'll probably be blowing out my arse, but this is the plan. I'll head up the hill, you can see there. So already people finished it on the way back down, but we'll do some videos, we'll check in and see how it goes. Cheers. Hey, okay, first kilometre done. All the hills are up there on the right hand side, and if you see over the distance, you've got the water behind the big tree. So, first kilometre in, scooshing it, catch you soon. Okay, 2 kilometre mark, and obviously I'm overweight, so that's part of the reason I'm doing this, is lose a bit of weight, get a bit healthier, and do some video editing while I'm there, and also look at the views. I mean, if that's not good for your mental health, I don't know what is. So this is the kind of halfway point up the hill. It's just over the 2 kilometre mark, but as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. That's the Erskine Bridge way over there. Still got a bit to go. So that's the 3 kilometre mark. We're well up now. Probably another half a kilometre, maybe a kilometre tops to Loch Humphrey. So most people actually call this the Kilpatrick Hills. So it is the Kilpatrick Hills, but I think locally it's known as Loch Humphrey, because up the Kilpatrick Hills there is a loch, which you'll see on your screen right now. Bing. Which is Loch Humphrey, and that's the point we're trying to get to. So we're going to walk up until we get to the loch, a wee sit down, chat to you in 5, and then we'll come back for the descent on the way back. Cheers. Right, so here we are, we're at the 4 kilometre mark and we have reached Loch Humphrey. No idea if this wind deflector's working well enough to not pick up the wind, but hopefully. So roughly 4 kilometres for the car park as we walk up here. It is absolutely stunning. I'll do a wee panel in a second and show you the whole loch, the trees on the far side, and all the way along the loch, sorry, until the far side where you can go down the other side. When I come up, I tend to come up Kilpatrick way. I think there's 2 ways up, but this is the way I usually do it. So we'll do a wee panel run. I'll get a drone out and fly over. It is a wee bit windy, but we'll fly over the top of the loch and give you a wee view of it and see what you think. So downhill for here trips. We'll try that again because I walked into 2 randoms and they'll look at me as if I was daft. So yeah, we're 5 kilometres in, so that's the first kilometre on the way back. Feeling good now because most of it's downhill. There is a wee uphill after the loch before you head back down the way, but as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. Cracking day, weather's about 21 degrees. Catch up with these next kilometre. Right, hardest part's over, been up, we've been at the loch. We're on our way back down now. We just decided to stop off again at the kind of main point where most people stop. Can get quite busy. If you bring kids or dogs, keep them away from this side because there is a huge drop off down that hill. And then obviously the big hills up to the right as you're coming up, and the right as you're coming down, a huge big dip off that hill, so please keep your kids away from it. There is a small fence, but it's very easy to get through, so just a bit of caution. This is a good wee stop off point. I'm going to hit the road, get the drone out one more time, and I'll catch you when I'm back at the car. Cheers. Okay, just past the 6 kilometre mark. Wind has died down because we're out lower. 2 kilometres to go. Nearly there. So that's it, trips. I'm back in the car. I think roughly 8 kilometres. I think my watch died halfway through because it was 4 kilometres the way up and it's probably saying about 2.5, 3 in the way back down, so fuck knows what happened there. I'm going to make this a short one. This is the end of it. I'll post all my stats here in terms of walking, calories, etc. Hopefully the video will be up shortly, but this is me. I need to shoot because I need to go and get the kids for school. So do me a favour, if you've watched the video right through to this point, let me know if there's any other walks you want me to do, you want me to film from start to finish. If you do the Kilpatrick Hills or the Loch Humphrey walk, let me know, drop a wee comment below. Don't forget to obviously hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment because it helps this to go out to other people, so I really do appreciate it. Thank you, have a good one. I am Paul, catch you later.